McCarran's airfield covers more than 2,500 acres and includes the runways, taxiways, and other exterior areas within the airport's fence line. An airport's airfield must be maintained and improved, just like roads and freeways. McCarran has a team of more than 25 workers responsible for the upkeep of this essential area. Runway markings and other airfield features must meet strict guidelines put in place by the FAA. Regular inspections ensure the airport is in compliance. Maintaining the safety and security of an airfield is a big job with many different tasks. With parts of the airfield always in use during projects, the Department of Aviation works closely with the Federal Aviation Administration to reduce potential impact on air traffic. Rubber from aircraft tires builds up and can obscure white and yellow lines if left unattended. Workers use a high-pressure water and vacuum system to remove nearly 6,000 pounds of rubber each year. As one of the busiest airports in the nation, McCarran has thousands of passengers arriving and departing each day, and our Airfield Maintenance Department works tirelessly to ensure the airlines and our customers get where they need to go.